Hey everybody, it's November 15th and I just wanted to do a quick update. I know I didn't post a video this week, but I went on a hunting vacation down to farm in Missouri, and I'm in Arizona right now. My buddy just got married, but we've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram and on our YouTube channel about our house, and so I've decided to do a video that I'll put out next week answering all these questions. A lot of the questions are, hey, how big is your house? Where'd you get your materials? How much is it costing? All the stuff pertaining to that. So I'm going to do a video documenting how much all of this has cost us each. So I'm going to break it down into sections and let you know exactly what it costs. I pretty much have all of the numbers figured out. I've went through receipts and stuff like that. So some of the things that I will cover in this video are your piece of property. If you need to clear it, how much does that cost? Your driveway, how much does it cost to get electric and water? Let's see, what else is there? How much is your concrete, your footings, your storm shelter, windows, doors, framing, steel, all that stuff I'm going to include in this video, and I'll let you know, hey, this is where, you know, some of the things that Emily and I didn't account for that cost us more than what we thought, and I'll let you know exactly what we have into this. I'm not afraid to tell you. I'm going to share that with you so that you guys, if you're trying to do a project like this, you can, you know, be aware of what it might cost you. Now, depending on where you live in the country, things may vary a little bit and whatnot. I'm going to explain to you why I got my material from where I got it and how that benefited me. Now I know that some of you aren't going to have access to the same home improvement store that I used for this build, but I'll explain all that in the video, and hopefully I can have it out by the end of next week. But I appreciate you guys watching. If you haven't already, subscribe to our channel, our YouTube channel, check out our Instagram. Definitely check out my wife's blog at www.marshallremodel.com. She does a lot of really cool stuff on there, documenting our recent projects, how to do them, and whatnot. So check that out as well. But thanks for watching, and I'll get that video out as soon as I can next week.